The main program reads in 15 into num1 and calls sequence with num1 as the argument. Start is the parameter in sequence's definition and the local variable assigned with the value of num1 15. Res and start are local, so the variables don't exist after sequence finishes. The second input, 50, is read into num2. Num2 is passed in as the argument to the second call of sequence. Start and res are created in sequence. The parameter, start, is assigned with 50, the value of num2. Res is used to print the sequence, and res and start don't exist after sequence finishes.